Hey everyone, welcome to Drawise. Today I'm going to try to draw something special. I'm going to try to draw Michael Jordan because I just finished watching The Last Dance. Thought it was great, and I thought Michael Jordan deserves that we draw him. Deserves a lot more than that, but for starters. So here I'm even going to draw his earring he's got over there. I'm going to draw his nose. I'm going to start over here. Give him some lips. Get a little smile always. His eyes. I'm going to add some glare to those eyes later. Let's go for the body. So it's going to be kind of a symmetrical shape. Let me get this right. Okay, now I'm going to draw his jersey, his shirt. I'm going to have him doing his Air Jordan thing, so it's going to look kind of like, let me get this. Shorts going up to here. And its shoe. Gonna have the same with the other leg. Have a little bit of the shoe popping up over here. Now let's get the hands. Let's get him holding a basketball. This as round as possible on the first try. Could be better. I can go and fix it up a little bit later. It's not bad. So we've got the basketball. Let's get that hand and thumb. Other hand, kind of the floating on air thing he's got. Gotta get number 23 in there. Oh, we didn't give him eyebrows. Let's do that first. Okay. Now let's give him number 23. Watch the show, I highly recommend it. The series, actually. Even if you're not into sports, I thought it was really well done. But, you know, it's a matter of taste, I guess. Let's color this up. The famous Chicago Bulls red. After that, I do want to give him the glare in the eyes. I think it's important. It gives it a little bit more pop. So just let's finish these shorts. Almost done. I'll use a thinner, sharper, Sharpie marker, just so we can get details here. Let's do 1, 2. Same on the other side. Gives it a nicer touch. Okay. Add a little more detail here and here. And for the ball, I'll also add a little bit of outline just so it looks a little more prominent. Let's finish coloring it up. Almost done with the shirt, with the jersey. And then I want to color in the basketball as well. And maybe even give a little more detail to the jersey itself. I think the collar part of it is a little too large. I'm going to give it a second layer. I'll show you in a second. Just about done with this 23 and the jersey. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm pretty sure that the jersey has a white collar surrounding, kind of like an outer stroke. I think it's a nice touch. I'll do the same with the pants. Yeah, and I'll even do it here on the outer parts. Just a thin outer stroke sort of thing. Let's color in the ball. Classic orange, nothing too outlandish over here. And that's pretty much it. I mean, obviously there's more to this, but this is the basic. You can go as deep as you want into the details and the coloring. This is pretty much the basic of how to draw Michael Jordan. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you liked it, please subscribe, like, share. Bye.